Now we are going to see some metaphorical examples from the poem The Pilgrim. As we know that this poem is a metaphorical poem because in this poem there are used some metaphorical examples. What is meant by metaphor? Metaphor is an implied comparison. What is meant by implied comparison? Implied comparison means when two unlike things are compared with each other indirectly, that is called implied comparison. Now let us see some examples of metaphor which are used in the poem. Implied comparisons in between. Pilgrim is indirectly compared with a dutiful man. Journey is indirectly compared with life. It is implied comparison in between journey and life. Third thing, evening. Evening is compared with old age. Chasm. Chasm is compared with threat to life. It is implied comparison in between chasm and threat to life. Next one, building a bridge. It is compared with solving a problem. Next, pitfall. Pitfall is indirectly compared with trap. And last one, close of day, is compared with death. This poem shows reality of life. Poet has used different symbols to express the reality of life. Such as pilgrim is compared with dutiful man. Pilgrim means people. Journey is compared with life, means life is a journey. Evening is compared with the old age. Chasm is compared with the threat of life. Threat of life means ups and downs, calamities, obstacles, tensions in life. Building a bridge means solving a problem. In life there are number of problems, ups and downs, calamities, and when we have positive attitude, then it is possible for us to solve problems in life. Pitfall is indirectly compared with trap. Trap means obstacle, calamities, difficult time in life. Next one is close of day. Close of day means death, end of the life. According to poet, we must be always positive and we must be ready to help to others. So poet tells us we must be always generous and unselfish. And we must think always for others. We must try to help others who are not as experienced as we are. We must think about the future generations. We must be very helpful in our life. This is the message from the poem. It has given this message by using some metaphorical examples. This way we have seen some metaphorical examples.